First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 8 for grade 2 mathematics. In the last class, we started the topic comparing and ordering numbers, which was on page number 12. In that topic, we learned how to compare two numbers. Okay. We learned that whenever we have two numbers, so first we will check their hundreds, then tens, then ones. Look at the first here. There was the example on the book was 431 and 528. So we check out the hundreds. There were four hundreds, three tens, and one ones. But in 528, there were five hundreds, two tens, and eight ones. So here 400s, here 500. So which is smaller? 400 is smaller than 5. That means 428, 431 is smaller than 528. On page number 38, if we check, first compare the 500s. First 100 is greater than 500 is greater than 400s. Exactly. So 528 is greater than 431. And we can also write this. 528 is greater than 431. This is I also taught you. Compare 472 and 475, guys. If you compare 472 and 475, so 400 same. Then you will compare the tens, 7 tens and 7 tens also same. Then you will compare the ones, 2 and 5. So 2 is less than 5. So you will say that 472 is smaller than 475, and you can write it in that way. You are practicing in the practice sheet here in the board here, comparing and ordering numbers. I write here two numbers, 385 and 654, and I ask you which is smaller. So you check out the hundreds first. There were 300, there were 600. So you check out the 100, you find out that 3 is smaller than 6. That's why 385 is smaller than 654. Or you can also write 385 is less than 654. Why this sign, guys? Because I told you that the sign always open its mouth in front of bigger number. So here 654 is bigger. That's why we will open its mouth in front of 654. Then we check the two numbers 460, 195, which is smaller, which is bigger. So 400 here 100. So 100 is smaller than 400. So 460 is bigger and 195 is smaller. So we write 195 and we put that sign. That 195 is less than 460. Why this sign? Because its mouth should be open in front of a bigger number. So you can see that its mouth is open in front of 460. Here we were having three numbers, 603, 549 and 846. Again, we compared the hundreds, 600, 500, 800, and we check out that 6 and 5 is the smallest one. That's why 500 value would be smaller than 600 and 800. And we use the less than sign to represent that. For finding out the bigger also, we did some examples like 832 and 835. As I told you guys, in some questions, if the hundreds are same, then you will check out the tens. Like here, 3 and 3 are the same. The hundreds are same, then you will compare the tens. Now you will compare this 3 with this 5. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. That's why you will say that 337 is smaller than 354. Or you use this sign, less than sign. Same here, guys, 619 and 615. Here 6 is same. Hundreds are same. Then you will compare the tens. 1 and 1. Tens are also same because hundreds and tens both are same. Now you will compare the ones. 9 and 5. So which is smaller, guys? 5 is smaller or 9 is smaller? 5 is smaller than 9. So you will say 615 is smaller than 619. And you will represent it by using the less than sign. The question was about which is bigger. So in order to find out the bigger, again, you will check out the hundreds, tens, and ones. Hundreds are same. Tens are also same. Then compare the ones, 2 and 5. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger than 2. That's why 835 is bigger than 832. And you will open the mouth of this sign in front of 835 because it is greater. So 835 is greater than 832 or bigger than 832. In this way, we completed this practice. So guys, do you understand the concept of less than, greater than? And are you able to compare the numbers now? Yes, I'm asking some question. Are you able to compare two numbers, which is bigger or which is smaller? Answer me.
Put your leg down.
Guys, I am asking you a question. Are you able to compare two numbers, which is bigger and which is smaller? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only one is wrong. Very good. All right, guys. I also taught you about the signs and we have revised about the signs. You will use the greater than sign for the bigger number. If the bigger number is here, you will open its mouth here and you will use the less than sign. Its end should be in front of smaller number, like this is 21 and this is 50. So 50 is bigger than 21. That's why I opened its mouth in front of 50 in that way. So guys, let's come to the book on page number 16. Please open book page number 16. If you have book, open the book page number 16. Or if you have PDF file, open that PDF file. Because we are going to complete question number 1 from page number 16. Did you open your books, guys?
No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, guys. If you don't have book, just check out the screen. What is the question? Fill in the boxes with either greater than or less than sign. This is very good, very easy, guys. What you have to do, you just have to check out which is bigger and which is smaller, which is greater than and which is less than, and then you have to write the symbol. You have to put one of these symbols, either this one or this one. So for that, you will check out which is bigger. The one which is bigger, you will open its mouth in front of that. Okay. So let's check 725 and 82. Compare the hundreds first. This is 700 and there is no 100. Ones and tens. There is no 100. That means 0, 100. So which is bigger, guys? 725 is bigger or 82 is bigger? Yes. Which is bigger here? 725 or 82?
725.
Very good. 725 is bigger. So what sign should I put here? This one or this one? This one or this one? Answer me in the chat box, guys. What sign should I write here? 725 is Hamza, very good. Hamza Sayyed, very good. All of you guys answer me in the chat box. Which sign should I put here? Greater than sign or less than sign? Hamza Muhammad, very good. Azam Saleh, very good. Amir, very good. Okay, Ahmad Muhammad, greater than. But what is the sign of greater than? Show me that sign. Abdullah, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Abdul Rauf, what is your answer? Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Abdullah, very good. No, Amar Yasir, this is not the answer. Very good, Amjad. Amar Yasir, very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Abdullah, it is not greater than and is equal to, okay? Just write greater than sign. All right, guys. So I'm going to put here greater than sign. So as you tell me the answer is greater than, and the sign is 725 is greater than 82. So this is the sign. Or I can write it like this. 725 is greater than 82. Now come to B, guys. Part B. 271 is dash than 284. Greater than or less than. So guys, again, how you will check? You will compare the hundreds first. Here 200, here 200. So hundreds are same. Now you will compare the tens. 7 tens, 8 tens. So 8 tens are bigger than, are more than 7 tens. 8 is bigger than 7. That's why 284 is bigger than 271. Or 284 is greater than 271. So guys, which sign should I put here on B? This one or this one? Answer me in the chat box. 271 is dash than 284. Jamal Badar, very good. I have already received the answers from Hamza Sayyed, very good. Hamza Muhammad, Muhammad Saleh, Abdullah Saad, Ahmad Muhammad, Jamal Badar, Abdullah, Amir, Azam Saleh, Amir Faleh, Abdul Malik Hassan, Abdullah Saad, Azam Saleh, Abdul Rauf, Anas Muhammad, Anas Fahad. Very good, guys. Amar Yasir, Abdul Malik Hassan. That's very good. Sami Al Hiji, very good. Sami Al Hiji, 271 is what? Complete the answer. Amjad, very good. Okay, guys, I am going to take one of the student. Yahya. Yahya Muhammad Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yahya. Which is bigger? Which is greater? 271 or 284? Which is bigger? Which is greater? 271, 284. Yahya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I am asking you, please answer me. Which is bigger, 271 or 284?
72. 70. 725.
I'm not asking A, I'm asking B, this one. Okay, this one.
200 and 284.
It's bigger. Okay, which sign should I write here in that box? This one or this one? Greater than or less than? Should I write this sign here? This one? Or should I write this sign here? This one? Yes. Which sign should I put here? Yeah, here. Yeah, here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which sign should I put here?
Uh,
Is it correct? This sign?
no.
Why?
This.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you, Yahya. Okay, let me take one more student, guys. And Abdul Malik Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Malik. 271 and 284. Which is bigger and which is smaller?
284 is bigger.
Okay. So I have to put one of these signs here. Okay. Which sign should I put? Greater than sign or less than sign? I mean this sign or this sign? Which sign?
Second one.
Second one. Okay.
Less.
Check this. Is it correct?
No.
No. Okay. And if I write this one, is it correct?
Yes.
That's good. Thank you. Yes, guys. Abdul Malik Hassan said 271 and then this sign 284. Is it correct answer?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Correct. Yes.
Exactly, guys. Why? Because 284 is bigger. So we should open the mouth of greater than or less than sign in front of bigger number. So 284 is bigger than 271. That's why we will put greater than sign. So we can also say that 271 is less than 284. Okay. This is the answer. All right. Now we will come to C. 246 and 132. 246 or 132. So guys, here which is bigger? You need to check again. You will compare the hundreds, 200s and 100s. So 100 is smaller. 200 is in bigger. That means 245 is bigger than 132. So the guys tell me now which sign should I put here? This sign and this sign. Answer me in the chat box first. 246. Sami Al-Hiji. 246 and 132. Not Jamal Badr, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Azam Saleh, very good. Abdullah, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, 246 what? Amar Yasir, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Abdullah Saad, incomplete answer. Amir, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Okay, let me take one of the student guys. And I'm going to take Hamza Al Sayyed.
Yes, sir.
Hamza, which is bigger? First, identify 246 or 132. Yes,
246.
bigger. Okay. So which sign should I put here? This one or this one?
The first one.
The first one. You mean that?
Yes.
Okay. Why this sign? Why not this? Hmm?
Smaller than.
Which number is smaller?
The another one.
Okay. So you should say, sir, because 246 is bigger than 132 and in greater than less than sign, we open the mouth of the sign in front of bigger number. So 246 is bigger, that's why this sign. 246 is greater than, that's why this greater than sign, right?
Right. Yes.
That's very good. Guys, Hamza Sayyed said that 246 is greater than 132 and we should put that sign greater than sign. Is it correct answer?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good, very good. Now we will come to D. This is D, guys. 519 and 510. So here first again you have to find out which number is bigger and which is smaller. To compare two numbers, what you will check? You will check the hundreds first. This is 500 and this is 500. So hundreds are same here, guys. Now you will compare the tens. There are 110s and there are also 110s. Now finally, you have to compare the ones because hundreds are also same and tens are also same. Here on the ones, it is 9 and here on the ones, it is 0. So you know 9 is bigger than 0. 9 is bigger than 0. That's why you can say that 519 is bigger than 510 or 519 is greater than 510. So guys, tell me how to write. Which sign should I write here? This sign or this sign? Answer me in the chat box. 519. Sami, very good. Hamza, very good. Jamal Badr, very good. Amir, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Amir, Muhammad Saleh, Abdullah, Abdul Malik Hassan, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Muhammad, very good. Very good, guys. Anas Fahad, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Azam Saleh, very good. Amjad Abdullah, very good. Ammar Yasir, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student guys who will answer me. And I'm going to ask it by Azam Saleh.
Yes, sir.
Azam Saleh, which is bigger, 519 or 510?
590. 519.
519. Okay. So which sign should I put here? This one or this one? First one or second one?
The second one. The second one.
Second one. You mean that?
Yeah. No, 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 no.
This is second one. Look.
Uh,
Okay. Which sign then?
Malay.
You mean that?
Yeah.
Why this sign?
Why?
Because
Because it's bigger.
yes, because 519 is bigger than 510, and we should open the mouth of this sign in front of bigger number. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very good. Guys, Azam is saying 519 is bigger than 510, is greater than 510. That's why we should use this sign. So is it correct? Check, please.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Baba. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Now, question number 2 and question number 3 is to arrange it, arrange the numbers in order from begin with the smallest, and these question number 2 or 3 is about arrange these numbers in order begin with the greatest. So for this, guys, we will again practice first. I'm going to write the number of series here. Let's suppose I write a number, arrange it from smallest to largest. This is the question, guys, and the numbers are 144, 244, okay, 44, 444, 454. Let's suppose these are the numbers, and you have to arrange it from smallest to largest. That means you have to write the smallest number first, then the bigger one, then the bigger one, and in the last you will have to write the largest one. Okay. In that case, again you have to compare all the numbers. In question number 1, you are comparing only two numbers, that which is bigger, which is smaller, which is bigger. But here you have to compare 3, 4 or 5 numbers together, that which is bigger, which is biggest, which is smaller, which is the smallest. How you will do it, guys? So look, this is 144, 244, and so on. So first you have to compare the hundreds. The number on the hundredth place is 1. Then you will check here, it is 200. So 100 or 1 is smaller than 2. So this value is smaller. Then again, you check here, 44. Here 0, this is ones, tens, and there is no hundred. So this is smallest than all, because there are no hundreds. There are 400 and there are also 400. So you write 44 first, because 44 is the smallest one, as there are 0 in 44. Okay. Now you will compare again. You write 44. So I cut it out that I have finished it. Now 144, 244, 1, 2, 4, and 4. So 1 is smaller than 2 also, and 1 is smaller than 4 also. So I will write the value starting from 100, 144. I finish writing 144 now. Now I will again check the smallest value in these three, 244, 444, and 454. I will compare the 100 first. This is 200. This is 400 and this is 400. So 2 is smaller than 4. That's why I will write 244 first. Now I have finished 244. I have finished writing 244, so I will cancel it out as well. Two values are left, 444 and 454. So I will compare the hundreds here. This is also 4 in the hundreds and this is also 4 in the hundreds. So the hundreds are same in these two values. So I need to compare the tens then. On the tens it is 4 and it is 5. So 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. That's why I will write 444 first. Because 4 is smaller than 5, that's why 444 is smaller than 454. Then I will write 454. So this is, we have arranged it from smallest to largest. 44, 144, 244, 444 and 454. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose the next question we have values from 945 and 862 and 309. And we have to arrange it from smallest to largest. So this is very easy, guys. You will compare the 100 first. 900. 8. 8 is smaller than 9 and 3. 3 is smaller than 8 also and 3 is smaller than 9 also. That means 309 is smaller than 862 and 945. So I write 309 first. So this is, I have finished writing. Now we have two values, 945 and 862. Which is smaller in these two? So again, I will check the hundreds. This is 900 and this is 800. So 9 is smaller or 8 is smaller? 8 is smaller than 9. That's why you will say, sir, 862 is smaller than 945. And then you will write 945. So this is the answer. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Very good. We'll take one more example, guys. Let's suppose this is 654, 499, 841. So here, guys, again I will compare the 100 first. 6, 4. 4 is less than 6. 4 is smaller than 6. And 8. 4 is also smaller than 8. So I will write the value starting with 400. 499 is smaller than 841 also, and 499 is smaller than 654 also. Then I will check. This is, I have finished writing, so I will cut it out. Two values are left. This is starting with 600 and this is starting with 800. So 6 is smaller than 8. So you will write first 654, then you will write the last value, which is 841. So this is how you arrange from smallest to largest. Is it clear? Very good, very good. Very good.
That's one. That's five.
And now this is, you have to answer it by yourself and answer me in the chat box fast. We have only 3 minutes left. Arrange it from smallest to largest. In the chat box, guys. Answer me in the chat box, please. Very good, Amir. Other students, please answer. Arrange it from smallest to largest. Sami, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Hamzal Sayyed, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Muhammad Saleh, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Azam Saleh, why 654? There is no 654. You have to arrange 119, 246, and 109 from smallest to largest. Anas Fahad, very good. All right, guys, I'm going to write the answer for that. And Amjad Abdullah, very good. So, guys, this is 100. This is 200. So, 100 is smaller than 2. 1 is smaller than 2. But this is also 100. So, I have to find out first which value should I write first, 119 or 109. Because hundreds are same, then I will check the tens. This is 1 and this is 0. So 0 is smaller than 1. So I will write 109 first. Then I will write 119. Why? Because 100 is smaller than 200. Then the last value which is left, that is 246. So this is how you will arrange it from smallest to largest. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want to answer.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Don't need to copy it down in your notebook. You are, you don't need to copy it, okay? From page number 16, we completed question number 1 today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will complete question number 2 and 3 also with some practice, okay? So guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.